To be able to update Windows to the latest version, if you are using Windows 10 or 11, make sure to connect to the internet, click on the Windows logo in your desktop, click on Settings, and at this stage, click on Windows Update on the left. It should appear here. And once you have clicked on Windows Update, what you want to do, you want to click Retry if you don't see anything, or you want to click Download and Install. At this stage, the download and install will begin. Your computer will restart and the latest updates will have been downloaded and installed into your computer. I will just pause the video here and we will take once done. So now the download is over and also the installation is done. All what you need to do, you need to click restart now, and this way you have updated to the latest version of Windows 11.